But at the far end of the red is a very rough piece of rock, and we actually saw that take a suspension yesterday, and that is important for the drivers.
Right, it can be so precise with these cars when you can see the rumble when you're driving, you know.
It's a great concept, and it gives you, oftentimes they're just better than a lot of the curving that is created for those events. It's impressive stuff. Speaking of impressive, we were watching that replay of what even though he kissed the edge of that curve a little aggressively, it gave him the fastest time thus far. He jumped in front of Mauro Engel at a 1:02.388 second lap, so 2/10 right now quicker than Engel. And Heidfeld just jumped from virtually dead last on his last lap up into third. So right now we have, and you take a look at how close this is.
Stride, because both cars on the podium yesterday, both cars in the top 5. It's either a track that really suits those guys.
Well, and I think the reference point is certainly going to be the Renault Megane scheme. Essentially the same type of car, and they were both of the two cars on the podium yesterday, well in front of both of the Renault.
By driving the team out. I think is the official term for it. But I guess they're just doing some work. Yesterday. So they're probably doing a good time.
And speaking of yesterday, championship leader in terms of the drive.
And also when it rains. So
efficient tire, plus rolling resistance and and you know what? Getting back to what you're talking about, maybe that's what Toshiba has figured out is a way to get the maximum.
and that's going to be like a balance between tires.
I think we're going to see Stefan Sarrazin. We got his first podium of the season yesterday. Definitely fits against Toshiba. These cars, tires. Lean helps you turn in, but it's also when you've got that really aggressive, again, it is drag in terms of the friction and the energy and the like. You may not be using the best part of the tire, and so that's part of what these teams are doing. How they put them up on as you described, really well yesterday on the pad. Everything optimized, as they say, so that when that car gets down in the ground.
Yesterday, the wings, although very effective as bumper. At a peril in this Panasonic Jaguar track.
race circuit in BMW fan laps. Very challenging 1 mile Red Hook Racing Club. Well, it can't hurt.
It's just an incredible car. He's like, maybe interior look on it.
This is only the 3rd season, and you see